Alright, quick coconut market check for November 2025. Desiccated coconut in tea and coconut oil. First up, desiccated coconut. Q4 demand came in softer than expected. Buyers pushed back after high prices earlier this year. Forward purchases thinned out. Trading got quiet, and prices consolidated. At these levels, I see a probable floor. A deeper drop looks unlikely. Here's why. 1. Lean crop season in key origins tightens supply. 2. Destination stocks aren't abundant. Europe, Middle East, and North America. Inventory isn't heavy and is drawing down. Importers sat out for months. Restocking ahead of Q1 is set up. 3. Weakness came from demand stepping back, not oversupply. Raw nut availability has been tightening. That fragile balance can flip fast when momentum returns. 4. Q1 demand looks real. Europe needs to restock. Middle East gears up before Ramadan. China preps for Lunar New Year and broader re-entry. When China leans in, it lifts the whole complex into Q1, Q2. Now, edible oils. Why they matter for coconut oil. Indonesia's moving on B50 biodiesel. Higher palm oil blending pulls more palm into energy. That cuts export availability and tightens global supply. Upward pressure spreads across edible oils. Markets are linked: coconut, soy, sunflower. Palm prices have been grinding higher. Historically, that triggers substitution toward nearby oils like coconut. It raises costs across oil seeds. Mills divert more nuts into oil. Coconut oil demand stays robust in food, cosmetics, industry. With palm firming, interest in coconut oil is ticking up. That means higher CNO prices, fiercer competition for raw nuts, a rising price floor across the coconut complex, including desiccated coconut. Weather risk: Philippines hit by Typhoon Kalmegi, Super Typhoon Feng Wang. Infrastructure damage, logistics disruption, flooding in coconut zones, localized crop losses. Persistent rains hinder harvest and transport. Near term, that leans bullish on price. Strategy: don't leave large positions uncovered. Consider partial coverage to balance risk. Track palm closely. Track CNO closely. They steer raw nut competition. Plan ahead for Q1, Q2 when Europe, the Middle East, and China step back in with volume. Bottom line: softness was demand-driven, not structural. Lean season supply, firmer edible oils, Indonesia's B50, solid CNO demand, and weather disruptions limit downside and raise upside risk. If you need forward plans or price indications, we are here to help.